Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to create a photo slideshow professionally to make a gift for your loved ones. Come, let's start. First, start a blank presentation, and before starting the presentation, accumulate all your photos in a special folder so that it will be easy for you to insert the photos. Usually we will be inserting by clicking the insert key and the pictures. So it will ask from whether it is from online or from the device. So we will be clicking this device. So we'll be doing it differently this time. We are going to create the photo album so that it can look like a professional album. So for that, insert, click photo album and new photo album. So we'll be having one dialog box. In that it will ask from which disk you want to insert the pictures. So we'll click on this button, file disk. You have to locate where your photos are there in your computer. So I have saved all the photos in desktop and in the screen folder. So I'm having some set of photos of my son. So I'm going to create a photo album of this. So you can select like this by dragging all the photos or just by clicking Ctrl plus A so that all the photos will be selected. Press insert. So now the photos will be displayed in this dialog box. So this you can see the photos which you have selected from the folders one by one. If you don't want any of the photos, you can click on this and click remove can be done, or you can resize the photos, like you can turn the photos this side, that side. If you want to turn left, right, you can move, or you can move the pictures upside and down. These all will be selected. So after this done, and here this is a picture layout. That means your picture will be fit to your slide, like means the full slide your picture will be accumulated, or you want one picture per slide or two pictures per slide. You can change the settings like this. That is picture layout. So I'm setting it as a fit to slide. So after this, if you want to make the theme of your presentation to some other different, you can browse for new themes in the internet and you can download it and you can put the theme. So I'm putting it blank and I'm creating the photo album just by clicking the button create. So now our photo album is ready. So this is a photo album and this is my computer name. You can change the name also, like I'm giving my channel name as the creator. So like this, we can change the name of your photo album as your wish. So we can see the pictures which I have inserted one by one like this. You can see. So here you can be amazed, like some pictures are with the black by the side and some pictures are full the slide. So now see the difference of the photos, like in this photo I'm having the sides as black color and this photo is fully covered in the slide. What is the differences according to your photo? I have taken this photo as in landscape and this photo is in portrait. So we can also extend the photo like this, but PowerPoint won't do this, since by extending you will be having the poor quality of your photos. So PowerPoint won't do that, since even though we give that fit in the slide. So if you want, you can do like this, but it is not recommended since the quality of the photos will be down. So after setting all this, our album is ready. Since I have 15 photos, including the photo album slide, it is 16 slides. So after this, we can do some magic like transition, like animation. So we can go for the first slide and go to the menu transition, and you'll be having the different types of transitions like a fade, wipe. So we can have some different transition, like we can click dissolve. So how it will be look like this. So we can click on the apply to all, so that this transition will be applied to all the slides. We'll be clicking the apply to all, and what is in this is, while clicking the slideshow, it will be asking for each slide. I have to press the mouse button or the enter key to go to the next slide. So after pressing the mouse, it will take you to the next slide. So to avoid that, since to be more professional, we can set a timing for each slide so that it will automatically take you to the next slide. How to set the timing is, make the slide automatically displaying. We have to uncheck this one, uncheck the on mouse click and click on after this and set the timing be, I'm setting the timing as 1.5 seconds. So this is 1.5 seconds timing I have set for the slide, and click on apply to, so that this 1.5 second is applied to all the slides. Now it will, when we are clicking the slideshow, it will automatically take you to the next slide. So after that, one more thing we can do with this, you can edit the photo album to add some photos, or to delete some photos, or to add some text boxes like giving some heading to your photo album. You can add by clicking the edit photo album. So here we can see that option. So edit photo album, you can, if you want to delete some photos, select the checkbox and it will be deleted. Or if you want to move this to up and down, you can click on this arrow so that this photo will be down. Or you want this photo to be the first one, means you can click on this. So like this, you have to click this update. So now it will be updated. Now you can add the text boxes, means the same thing, photo album, edit, and this is a button where you can add a text box to your photo album. By clicking this, the text box will be added. So like this, you can drag this slide to app also by clicking the mouse button and dragging. So here you can edit some content like this is my month one of Jashwat. So like this, we can set some heading for your photo album. So make it center. You can change the font, slides, and color. These all can be done as usual. So you can change the background color also by clicking on this one, right click, format background. Here you will be seeing the option like solid fill, gradient fill. So in this you can change the color by clicking on this. For example, I'm setting the color as blue, so it will be setting like this. So we can change the color also as your wish. You can change the color. So by clicking on apply to all, this color will be applied to all the slides. So I think that black is looking good, so I'm changing again. Apply to all. That's it. The photo album is ready. And if you want, you can set the background audio or music also, just by clicking the menu insert and click on audio. And if you save some audio in your PC, you can click on this, and you can select the audio which you want to play for your slideshow. So I'm searching for some audio files in my download. So we can set like this, and it will be little more interesting to watch. So we can set this audio file and insert. So your audio is inserted, and we can see now how our photo album is looking like. Place it at the end. Yeah, come, let's see how our photo album is looking like. Slideshow from the beginning. Now it's playing. Photo album is ready. So I have set the music for only one slide. You can set the audio for all the slides also. So like this, our photo album is ready professionally. And that's it. So like this, you can also create the photo album and you can give to your loved ones. And you can save this slide as video also, like clicking on file menu, export, create video, and click on this. In this option it will ask for Ultra HD, Full HD. I'm giving us Full HD and create album. So it will ask for the location where you want to save your video. It will be saved in the desktop. So I'm giving in the desktop and click on save. The photo album will be created. And since we have a transition and audio file in our slide, it will take some couple of minutes to create to a video. So I have set the audio file only to the second slide. So we can set the audio file for all the slides also just by right clicking and the style, and click on this play in background. We can click, so all the audio will be played to all the slides. But before that I have created the video, so we can see by clicking on the photo album video file which I have saved in the desktop. We can see how it looks like. So this is our photo album. So since I have saved in the second slide, the audio is playing in the second slide alone. So we can set in the play in the background so that the audio will be playing to all the slides. So that's it. Our photo album is ready. You can give us a gift to your loved ones. And my channel is all about the software tutorials. If you are interested, please subscribe to my channel for future videos. Thank you.